Guys, today we're into a bit of lifestyle. Now, we probably all own a socket set or some wrenches, as you guys say, over the pond. However, for most of us, when we tighten nuts and bolts up, we just take a best guess at how tight we actually tighten these things up. And in some cases, that's okay. However, in others, it's not. Some nuts and bolts need to be tightened to the correct tolerances. So today, I have a solution. We are going to take a look at the EToolLab torque wrench set that is going to take the guesswork out of over tightening your nuts and bolts. So stick around and I'll be right back. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Scene for a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the EToolLab TW26N Pro torque wrench set. Now, if you don't know EToolLab, well, they make a ton of different tools for all of your DIY and mechanic needs. And this TW26N Pro is a 37-piece kit that's gonna pretty much have all of your needs covered. Now, before we get into it, EToolLab sent me this torque wrench set to review in exchange for my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get this opened up and see what we have. So guys, first off, open it up and we've got some instructions. And then we have an array of pieces. We've got a Phillips bit socket, we've got PH2 and posi bit sockets. There are 2 matte black sockets and 1 slotted bit socket. You've got 8 Torx bit sockets ranging from T8 to T40. You've got another 8 hex bit sockets from H2 to H8. You've got 9 standard sockets from 4mm to 15mm. But wait, there's more. There's a bit holder adapter. There's a screwdriver, an extension bar. You've also got some silicone grease, strangely labelled up as lube, but there you go. You've got a multi-tool with 3 sockets, an adapter for the torque wrench, and a 1/4 inch adapter for tight spaces. I mean, there's a lot, right? Then guys, we have the star of the show, the torque wrench itself. Now, this thing is made of military grade steel with professional surface rust protection. This means it's comfortable to use, strong and resistant to wear and tear. The main torque scale goes from 1 to 26 Newton meters. Now there's also a scale in inch pounds from 10 to 230. And for fine adjustments, there's a micrometer scale from 0 to 0.9 Newton meters. So there's a lot going on in this bad boy. Now, using the wrench is straightforward. When you reach the preset torque, you'll feel it and hear it. There's a loud click, right? And to adjust the scale, just pull the locking collar and set to the desired torque, and it all kind of locks into place. So pretty easy to use. The wrench has a 72 tooth mechanism for precise adjustments, and you can easily attach your sockets or use the extension bar for hard to reach spots. And guys, of course, this tool is so versatile. While many of you will use it for bike maintenance or something like that, for me, I went round and tightened all my electric scooter components with this and put some garden furniture together. So this tool is useful no matter what the application. Also guys, one of the key factors when you hit your desired torque is, like I said, you get this very loud click, so you know that you are tightened. I mean, I think it's something like 43 decibels, but there you go, details. And adjustment is really easy. Like I said, with a laser engraved scale, both in metric and imperial, this tool is as easy as it gets. So guys, not much else to say about it other than get one, because I'll tell you what, with all of these pieces in this box, honestly, there's not many jobs that this tool won't take care of. It takes the guesswork out of any maintenance tasks you have and helps to prevent any costly damage. So whether you're a mechanic, DIY enthusiast, cyclist, or just need a decent torque wrench set, this set is a valuable addition to your toolkit. And guys, at the time of this video going live, this bad boy is going to cost you £43.99. I mean, that is an absolute bargain. I shall always, as I do, leave any product links, any discounts in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, then please leave them below. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to EToolLab for sending me this cool torque wrench set to review. I'm Dave with Scenes for a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.